bonjour à toutes et à tous, j'espère que tu vas bien aujourd'hui. Ce que nous allons apprendre, ça va être pas difficile à comprendre et ça va aller vite. So what I just said, that what we're going to be learning today is not going to be difficult, it's going to be fairly easy. Ça va être une leçon démonstratif. So it's going to be a demonstrative lesson. Okay, so here we go. On va apprendre celui, celle, ce et celle. And as you all know, in the classroom, I always divide these up into 4 quadrants, you know, this being the masculine singular, this being the masculine plural, this being the feminine singular, and this being the feminine plural. But what do these words mean, right? So, let's go. Celui means this one, that one, or the one, right? And so in the feminine form, it's the same thing. This one, that one, and the one. And then in the plural, you have these, those, and the ones, right? These, those, and the ones. We'll get to that in a second, okay? So here we go. Celui. Celui. This one. Celui. Okay? On a 2 livres. We have 2 books. Celui. This one. Celui. That one. Right? And then we have the one. Celui. Celui, celui, and celui. Okay? And then we have these. Ce livre. Right? We have celui, as far as this one, right? That one, and the one. The one. You know, the one, right? So we have celui, celui, and celui, and ce. These, those, the ones. Okay? So it's replacing what I'm talking about. What am I talking about? Books. Les livres. Right? And then, if you want to make a distinction and talk about whether it is this one here, or this one there, or those there, or those here, you either add si for here, or you add la for there. Okay, so what do we have? We have celui, this one, celui, that one, celui, the one, and then we have ce. Okay, so here we go. Celui-ci, talking about this book, here. Okay, celui-là, I'm talking about that book, there. Okay, ceci, that one here. Okay, celui-là, that one there. Okay, ceci, these ones here. Okay, ceux-là, those ones there. And that is just how simple, that's as simple as it gets, right? And you're like, okay, well, what about salad? Salad, how does that work? Okay, all you do is you just take something feminine, right? So this time we're working with books, les livres. Un livre, c'est masculin, right? Books are masculine. So we use the celui and the ce. But flowers are feminine. Fleur, une 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 fleur, right? A flower. Okay? So I'm talking about celle, right? If I'm talking about all of the flowers, celle with an S, right? So if I'm talking about this one here, celle-ci. If I'm talking about this one, whoops, there, over there, I'm talking about celle-là. If I'm talking about those here, celle-ci. If I'm moving them over to the other side, celle-là. And that's it. There's really nothing more difficult regarding que ce soit féminin ou masculin, right? Celui, celle. Celui-ci, celle-ci. Celui-là, celle-là. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. That's a wrap. All right. Qu'est-ce que nous allons faire pour notre devoir? Nous allons faire des exercices en VHL et on va compléter ça pour mardi et jeudi. Et c'est tout. C'est tout ce qu'on va faire pour cette semaine. OK? Au revoir et je vous souhaite une bonne fin de semaine, un bon week-end. OK? Au revoir. À plus.